Hello everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Rishabh Instruments Limited, incorporated in 1982. Rishabh Instruments Limited is engaged in the business of manufacturing, design, and development of test and measuring instruments and industrial control products. Rishabh Instruments has 4 segments: A. Electrical automation devices, B. Metering, control, and protection devices, C. Portable test and measuring instruments, and D. Solar string inverters. IPO opens on August 30th and closes on September 1st. Allotment will be finalized on 6th September. Stock is scheduled to list on the 11th of September. Minimum investment required is of 14,994 rupees. IPO price band has been fixed in the range between 418 rupees to 441 rupees per equity share. Total issue size is 490.78 crore rupees. Fresh issue is of 75 crore rupees and offer for sale is of 415.78 crore rupees. IPO objectives. The net proceeds from the offer will be used to finance the cost towards expansion of Nashik Manufacturing Facility I and meet general corporate purposes. Return on equity is 12.39%. Return on capital employed is 13.77%. Debt to equity is less than 1. Earning per share is 12 rupees and 84 paise. Current GMP of the company is trading around 75 rupees. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.